Bring the needle up at 1 and then put down the needle through 2. Now bring out the needle through point 3. Repeat the stitch by putting down the needle through 4 and bring it out through 5. Continue stitching, repeating the same steps for basic feather stitch. It looks like a series of interconnected V's. It is always advised to make stitch lines to avoid any asymmetry. The feather stitch and its variations are used in surface embroidery to create airy lines of stitching along curves or straight lines. It is one of the most basic and popular embroidery stitches and can be used to create an edge finish or a surface embroidery stitch. Feather stitch is a decorative stitch, usually used to accompany it with embellishments or other forms of stitches like the French knot. This stitch can be used liberally to make beautiful borders, horizontal or vertical fillings, or even designs with curves. This stitch is really awesome for making stems and any kind of borders. It is so simple and yet looks elegant.